Yo, what is going on, guys? This is the Ecom boss, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how you can dropship without spending any money whatsoever. Obviously you need to spend money shipping out the orders, but this is money you should have because you could use your own profit, for example, to ship out the orders. That's probably not going to be a problem in today's video, and we are going to sell low ticket items. So that's why you're here, because you want to know how to dropship for free. So I'm going to teach you guys this because I actually started out, funny enough, like 2 years ago. I think it's getting close to 3 years now. I started out 3 years ago dropshipping for free, and I actually made it work. Was I like super profitable? Nah, not really, but I made money that I could put into Facebook ads. If you can dropship for free to get you like $1,000 or maybe just even 500, you could put that into Facebook ads. You could put that into influencers. You could put it anywhere you want, you know, reinvesting your profits to make more money. So that's what we're gonna go over in today's video. And I'm the Ecom boss, and make sure you guys smash the like button. Please just smash the thumbs up button. We're so close to 3,000 subscribers, which is just insane to me. So if you want to be a cool guy, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, just join the family right here. And if you want to get into the dropshipping coaching program, you can message me on Instagram here. And if you just want to follow me, well, that's totally cool as well. So in this video, I'm going to go over 3 ways that you can dropship for free. 2 on Instagram and 1 on TikTok. And these strategies are actually really smart, but it requires hustle. So you guys need to get prepared to put in the work, but you know, you could always automate this stuff as well. You can clearly automate it, but there are going to be 3 ways. The first thing I do recommend you guys to have in place before we start this is a couple of followers. You do not need like a super big social proof. That's not too important, honestly. In fact, I didn't have it when I did this, but it might be smart, you know, to have a couple of followers. But what I want you guys to do if you're going to dropship for free is to do it on Instagram to begin with. So let's start out with the Instagram strategy. Your first strategy that does not require that big of a hustle, but it's still a hustle, is going to be DMing pages with you know, less amount of followers. You could DM a page with 3,000 followers. You could DM a page with 10,000, 50, 100,000, and basically work out an affiliate deal. This means that if you make a sale of the influencer's post, you will, for example, give the influencers 20% of your profits. And you might be saying, why would they ever do that? Because someone else could pay them. Well, I'll tell you guys, there are big YouTubers that has affiliate links on their YouTube, which they don't get paid up front for, but they still make a lot of money, right? So these influencers, some of them will know that affiliate deal is super smart on a dropshipping store. So I want you guys to sell low ticket. I want you guys to sell something that everyone can afford. I would honestly recommend, for example, getting into jewelry and getting in contact with the influencers that you could figure out an affiliate deal with. So let's just say you give the influencers 15% of every sale. Some of them will do it, but you need to put in the hustle, right? You need to put in the hours. Now, maybe not hours, but you need to put in some time. So you need to be sending out messages to like 20 influencers all the time. Just gather another 20, 50 influencers. Just send out messages to all the influencers you can find. Work out this affiliate deal. You need like a 12-hour story post. And I'm not saying depend on influencers later on. I'm just saying this for free strategy in terms of making like a lot of money with dropshipping. I do recommend you to get onto Facebook ads eventually, but this free strategy, I've seen it make like 10K a month for other people. So work out that with influencers, work out affiliate deals. And one golden nugget that I'm going to give you guys right now is listen up to this. There are some people out there, some teenagers that think they are cool because you're advertising products. Listen up now, you can take advantage. I see this all the time. Like there will be girls in my local town with 1,000 followers. So they're obviously not influencers, but they'll promote stuff for free because they think it's cool. So if you target the right teenager who just want to be cool in their school or something and be like, because they will feel cool, right? Yo, I'm advertising for a brand. Like I'm an influencer and I'm advertising for a brand. It could be things like that, right? So if you give a commission to just a normal basic teenager that has nothing to do with business whatsoever and only has like 800 followers, you say like, you can be a brand ambassador for us or something like that, they will do it because they think it's like clout. They think this thing is super cool, which honestly everyone can do. So the teenager will feel special. They will feel like they're doing something super cool, which truth is they're not really doing something super cool. But you could imagine like if you were like 15 years old and you wanted to be cool in school and you were like advertising products like the influencers do, like the bloggers do, you know, basically the people everyone looks up to usually on Instagram, you know, they will advertise products. So you can sort of feel cool. You could feel like you're a part of something and also get your 15%. And these small influencers with only 1,000 followers, they have super qualified audience to buy from you because they have their friends. They just have good audience in general, and most likely engaging audience. The audience isn't dead, in other words. Make sure you guys Rocky. The dog's been going crazy for the whole video. Make sure you guys take advantage of this, because this is a huge opportunity for you to make a lot of sales in the dropshipping store. But you need to realize, if you're going for free traffic, this is going to be a hustle. You need to get in touch with the right person. You need to get affiliates up on the team, and you need to get, you know, influencers, which sort of is the same thing, right? If you need to work out that affiliate deal, just say to them, I'm giving you 20% of the profits. And you need to make sure that your outreach is good as well, because this is the thing. If someone comes to me on a DM, right, and say like, hi, or just say, what's up? Will I answer? Honestly, yeah, because I don't have a lot of followers. But will I answer compared to a guy who comes to me and say like, made 6K today, how do I scale? Who am I going to answer? The guy just say, yo, what's up? Or the guy says, made 6K today, want to do business, blah, 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 blah. Who will you answer, right? So you guys get where I'm going with this. You need to tell the influencer something about the business. What I would usually do in that case, or what I did like a couple of years back, is I would always type business in like caps lock and then put in some emojis. Makes it super easy for the influencers to see in their DM box, and then just say like, yo, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Do you want to get on the team? We could work out a perfect affiliate deal, blah, 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 and then get them to promote your products. And the product should be promoted on the story for like 12 hours. And you don't need the biggest influencer. Just get a massive amount of influencers. You know, if you get 1,000 eyeballs instead of 100,000 at once, but you get 1,000 100 times, that is still 100,000. They might be more qualified, and they might not be fake followers as well, right? Another thing I would do, I would just do this exact same strategy with teenage influencers on TikTok. People that are new to fame, people that don't really know what fame is, and they will undercut themselves so much all the time. You could also just pay them $10, but since this is a free strategy, you could pull off the affiliate deal. So I recommend you guys to reach out to TikTok influencers who know nothing about business, like 14-year-olds or something. And this is not taking advantage. This is not being rude at all, because they're getting 20%, which for a 15-year-old getting 20% if there's the first time doing business and you're making sales, this is a super good deal for both of you guys. So what I'd say is just reach out to influencers on TikTok, like girls or something that's just starting to blow up a little bit, but obviously don't know anything about business. Maybe you're the first guy coming with a business offer. I'll tell you, 9 out of 10 times, those guys are going to join you. I'll tell you that for sure. They most likely are going to join you. You guys also need to take into consideration that there's going to be a Shopify payment here, because Shopify isn't free. You need to pay for the domain, which is going to be $14 on Shopify. But besides that, Shopify do have a trial, which is really helpful for you guys. So you need to put in your card, but putting in your card is okay. You can decline it before it's been 14 days, but you'll basically have 14 days to use Shopify, but just pay the $14 for the domain and make back the money those 14 days, I'd say. And if you have like $50, you could just dropship with $50, which I don't recommend, but I had a student of mine once actually spent $50 and made like 30K back, which is quite ridiculous. But that is not a part of this strategy though. I'm just saying you don't necessarily need the most money, but then you will be a little bit in the luck-based game, right? And you don't want to play on luck, you want to play on skills. You rather just save up some money, to be honest with you guys. And the ideal size of these pages are like 5,000 followers to 50,000 followers, and just get a lot of them. And if the page is untapped, you know, not a lot of people been doing business with it, they will most likely do this. The next thing you guys can do, which is going to surprise you, is call the DMs. This is where the real hustle comes in. I used to do this back in the days when I was starting out dropshipping. I was new, had no experience whatsoever, and I used to do this all the time. So I would set up a store for like jewelry or something cheap. Make sure don't sell anything for more than $20. I would say like $12, $15. Just make it easy for everyone to afford it. But I was doing this 2-3 years ago, and it's weird looking back on that to where I'm at this point, but I made a couple of sales off this actually, and I didn't really put in that much effort either. So I was selling a lighter, right? And you could do this with something else, but I was selling a lighter, and I would just go to the hashtag smoking, search up like hashtag smoking, hashtag lighter, it could be whatever, and then send out a message to people saying like, yo, are you smoking? But if you send the same message out to 1 million people, Instagram will eventually flag you. So just mix up the beginning of the message all the time. But I would say like, yo, are you smoking? Yo, you smoke? Do you smoke? Or like, how is it like smoke? What is like smoking? I don't know. I probably didn't say the last thing there, but you guys get where I'm going, right? And then they would always answer, and they would say like, yes. And then I would just pinch the product straight away. Like, honestly, I would just say like, yo, I have a new product. Would you mind taking a look at it? I wouldn't say that they could buy it already, but I'd just say, yo, can you take a look at it? And eventually they would actually buy when they took a look at it. The other thing you guys can do as well, besides just DMing people, but you got to DM a lot of people to pull this off, but you can make like a couple of $100s a day. And this this is really profitable too, because you're not spending money on ads. But another thing you guys could do is to pull off the same strategy in a Facebook group. This is really, really smart. Look, listen to this. Before I tell you guys this, please smash the thumbs up button and subscribe, because we're close to 3,000 subscribers and I would be happy to get some likes. The next thing that I want you guys to do is to go into Facebook groups and listen up to this. This is smart. You're not going to sell the product. You're just going to go into the Facebook group and say, does any of you guys have experience with this product? Or say like, I'm debating on whether or not I should buy this product. What do you guys think? And what do you think happened? This is not a promotion. This is not an advertisement. Nobody will block you for advertising this thing, because in their eyes, you're not advertising. You're just asking for advice. So just say that. What do you guys think about this product? Should I get it? And by doing that, you actually get 100 potential buyers just seeing your post, and they'll be like, I don't know if you're gonna get it, but I'm gonna get it. Thanks for showing me this product. And then eventually, just by saying, should I get this product? You got the product. Another thing I also did, or I didn't do this, but I told a student of mine to do something like this, and he went on 9gag. He promoted his product on 9gag. I don't know what 9gag is, so I don't know if it's a forum or what it was, but he promoted on forums as well. But he went on 9gag, published his product there completely for free, and he made, I think it was around $2,000 in a day, and the profit was like $1,200. He made over $1,000 profit in one day just of a simple post. That took him like 5 minutes to do. Super, super crazy, right? So you can post on forums as well, which is super, super smart. But I recommend you guys to stick with the Facebook group strategy. Just post it in a dog group if you're selling a dog product or something, and just say, as I told you guys earlier, I don't know if I'm gonna buy this. Would you guys buy this product? Check it out. Please give me some information on it, because it doesn't sound silly. They just think you're the buyer, but in theory, you are the guy in the group who's just trying to sell the viewer of this post the product. So what I was planning on, guys, is I'm going to pull this thing off myself. I'm wanting to make a dropshipping challenge where I dropship with no money, utilizing all the strategies in this video. So that's probably a video that's coming up on the channel the next week. So you guys need to tell me, is this something you will be interested in seeing? Should I make a no money dropshipping challenge? If I should make a no money dropshipping challenge, make sure you comment that in the comment section. Hope you guys like this video, and make sure you guys smash the thumbs up. Please just click that little button. It doesn't take too much time, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Appreciate all of you guys, and you'll be seeing me in the next video. Peace.